where we solve word problem using model drawing. Today I'm going to share with you the P5 Gemini questions under the topic ratio. Okay, so the mass of the rice in the rice cooker to the mass of the rice in a bowl in the ratio of 9:1. There will be an equal mass of rice in the rice cooker and the bowl if 320 grams of the rice is transferred from the rice cooker to the bowl. And they ask how much rice is there altogether. Okay, ratio usually they solve with ratio way method. But this ratio question, sometimes I will translate or try to explain it using model to make it easier for the students to understand. So this question, I'm going to do it in a model drawing, alright? So we go by the keywords again, right? So they have rice in the rice cooker and mass of the rice in the bowl. The ratio will be 9:1. So this is the ratio. Alright, so if you were to do, let's just indicate here, RC for rice cooker is to your bowl, the ratio is 9:1. Okay, then they mentioned about there will be an equal mass of the rice in the rice cooker and the bowl is 320 grams of rice is transferred from your rice cooker to the bowl. Okay, in this rice cooker they transfer some to the bowl, which is 320 grams, then the thing will be equal. So if we were to illustrate this in terms of model, this is how it's going to be. So we have your rice cooker with your bowl. Rice cooker is 9 units, so we do 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And we have 1 unit here for your bowl. Alright? And they mentioned that if there is a transfer from the rice cooker to the bowl, which is 320 grams. Alright? So when there is a transfer, they always transfer the extra. They never transfer what they exactly have. So it's always the extra. So when they want to make this to be equal, means the balance of the extra, it has to be divided by 2. Because you are giving between 2 of it to make it equal. So in this case, the extra is 8 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Means we must give 4 to the bowl. Alright? So we have 1, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Means this part is giving to the bowl. Alright? Means this one no more. And what is the transfer? This will be the transfer. 320 grams. Alright? So from here we can find the equivalent is 4 units for 320 grams. What is the question mark? Remember, the first to find the subject, which is 2, right? Cooker and the bowl. Then after that, we need to label. Whatever information all inside here will be done up here. Okay, fill up here. And the last is the question mark. The question mark is asking for how much rice is there all together. They're talking about the sum all over. Okay, that's your question mark. So how do we solve it? Again, I say we must always find the equivalent. So the equivalent here is the 4 units. So 4 units is equivalent to 320 grams. Then how many units are there all together? We know the rice cooker earlier is 9 and the bowl is 1 unit. So total is 10 units. So we have 10 units here. So again we do cross multiply method, which is 320. We divide by 4 to get your 1 unit. So 320 we divide by 4 to get your 1 unit. Then we multiply by 10. Okay, and that will give us 800 grams. So I hope this is simple enough and easy for you to explain to your child in terms of ratio. Not all can be solved using the model method, but this is one of the simpler that it's easier for us to be